Hey guys, my name is Deesh. Today I'm going to show you what I keep in my bag. Okay, so here's my bag. I wouldn't say it's just my bag, it's more of a mommy bag because I do keep a lot of my anything I do need for my kids in it. So how about we take a little look inside? Okay, the first thing is my iPhone. Gotta have my iPhone wherever I go. And I have sanitizing wipes. Flu season is coming up. I need those. And I also have more hand sanitizer. That's not it. I have wipes for the kids. I can use this on their face to clean their face. They're hand safe. And some lotion, hand cream. I have my chapstick. My wallet. I have all of my cards in there. And some change, some cash. Oh, what's this? My phone charger. I keep a spare phone charger in my bag. Now I have some strange things in here. A lot of these things I don't even realize end up in my bag. The kids throw them in. So I have a highlighter. I have a bouncy ball. Some tissue, some Kleenex, and my Halls for my sore throat. I keep a notepad and a pen with me at all times, wherever I go. You never know when a creative idea will come to mind, right? I have my keys, some, excuse me, some hair ties, and I usually keep hairpins in here as well. Oh, I have some random receipts. Where are these from? The grocery store and Costco. So I have this, I keep a Ziploc bag here, and in this bag I have stuff that all moms will need. I have toilet liners, paper towel, vomit bags. You never know when you have to, when you're gonna have an accident, or the kids, sorry, not me, the kids are not feeling well. So yes, I also keep a pair of gloves. Oh my God, this is so strange. Yes, I keep like disposable gloves in here. Anybody that does know me knows that I do have OCD. I am OCD. So I keep these gloves in, I mean, just in case. I haven't had to use them yet, but yes, I have them in there. And just some feminine hygiene stuff. Some snacks for the kids. Oh, and look, I have some Hot Wheel cars in my bag. Mysteriously, I wonder who put them in there. I have some loose change. And yeah, that's about it. That is what was inside my bag. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed taking a little peek inside my bag, my mommy bag. See you soon.